Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate former Princess Peach on Dress to Impress. Super simple and you don't need VIP at all, so let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. For the hair, I use this hair in FFBE21, position the Y at 0.55, scale to 0.38. Grab this hair in the same color, position the Y at 0.57, Z 0.65, and scale it to 0.44. Grab this hair in bangs only in the same color, position the Y and Z to 0.49. Grab these earrings in 428888 in silk, this one here. Position the Y at 0.51 and scale it to 0.66. For the hat, I'm just going to use this one. Do not mind the back, please. I use this pattern from the World Cultures area and this peach color, FF7373. Position the Z to 0.45, rotate the X to 0.51, Y 0.53, and I did the first toggle on that. For the outfit, I use this one in this color in matte, I think. Or did I do light silk? I think I did smooth in matte. This paint color E27896. And this leather jacket, but just a top, this one, in this color in matte as well. We're going to then grab the, what is this called? Like overall? I don't know. In this color, 455167, and then the second one in ADCAFF. Then we're going to grab these boots in this paint color, FFA8DA. And I think I did I think I did light silk on that. And color everything that same color. I think I might make the shirt a little bit lighter. I'm trying to make it like this color, but just a little bit darker than the shoes. Maybe this EC8EB2. I think I'm just going to do that for both, like this instead. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!